VW Golf, which would be Volkswagen Golf. It's not one of my favorite Hot Wheels, but I bet it'd be good on the tracks. GTI, whatever that means. Volkswagen Golf. Looks sort of like a rabbit. Volkswagen Rabbit. Those were popular back in the days. Well, letting it go. Getting out of business here.